Hello everybody, Lyle at C&S Corvettes in Sarasota, Florida, here to talk to you. Actually, I'm not here to talk to you about anything. I'm actually here to thank you guys. Just a couple of days ago, our tiny little channel and our tiny little Corvette shop hit 50,000 subscribers, which when you talk about things, people doing, you know, hip hop videos or dance videos or funny videos, they have millions of subscribers, which is awesome. But for what we do in our tiny niche market with our specialized focus, getting to 50,000 subscribers was absolutely huge. And I just wanted to thank everybody out there who has ever viewed, commented, or subscribed to our channel, because you guys have built us to the point where we can do more, better, interesting stuff simply by participating in supporting us. So thank you very much, and looking forward to get to 100,000 coming in 2024. Have a good one.